Young Jamaican men, a lot of times, I have seen where we were born in some very hostile communities. The most dominant reality that we saw there was to take up badness as means of survival, as means of empowerment, albeit false empowerment, as means of gaining respect. For most of us, this lifestyle sees us dying at very young ages. You may become notorious, yes, had money, women, and so-called respect. But what good is it if you are dead? The point I want to make is this. Sometimes, some of us are given to opportunity to leave out of the madness, and we refuse. Some of us got the opportunity to go to great schools, were model straight-A students, brilliant minds, yet we throw away the opportunity to stay on corners, to be in gangs, robbing, killing, refusing to leave from out of the acidity. Sometimes even the gang leaders' children. They try their utmost best to distance them from the madness, however. Maybe it's karma, or reaction as Jamaicans would say, but though they were born with pretty much a silver spoon, they find a way to get themselves back into the acidity. Young Jamaican men, it doesn't matter the reality you were born in, you can still get out if you really want to. And when the opportunity presents itself, please take it. The reality is crime may be fascinating, may give you respect, false respect really, money, power. Women, however, the cost is extremely high and bloodied. You pay with your life and the life of your loved ones.